Why will somebody like Nnamdi Kanu think of fighting for Biafra? He was born, I think, in 1967 when the war broke out. He started fighting for this Biafra of a thing because of marginalization. And nobody will take it away. No matter how you try to hide it, you cannot hide that Igbos are not marginalized in Nigeria.
The injustice is
every other region have 60 states. South 6 states. Southwest 6 states. North, all the whole north. Even one is 7 states. For the southeast here, we have 5 states. Giving us 5 states is reducing the money that's supposed to come into the region, reducing the number of senators we're supposed to produce, reducing job. So we are marginalized. There is no marginalization that is more than that. We are the highest importers and exporters, but there is no seaport in the southeast. We are the highest traveling race in Nigeria, but there is no good working international airport.
Nigeria is changing, not gradually, not quietly, but violently, like a wave that came without asking permission. Many are calling it policy reform, others call it economic racism, but one voice is calling it something more dangerous, a spiritual warning. Prices are rising. Food is expensive. Transport costs more than before. Many families are struggling to survive. Some people say this is normal economic reform. Others say it's bad policy. But Evangelist Ebuka Obi'S is saying something different. He says this crisis is not only about money. He says it is also a spiritual warning. Today we look at this message and what it may mean for Nigeria and Nigerians everywhere. As we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share our video, and also pay very deep attention to what we are bringing to your table, because this is a massive life-changing program. What is happening in Nigeria? Many Nigerians feel the impact of the new economic policy. Fuel prices have gone up. The cost of living has increased. Salary stays the same, but expenses keeps rising. For many Igbo families, business are slowing down. Trading is becoming harder. Money from abroad does not go far anymore. People are worried about the future. Evangelist Ebuka Obi'S said this situation did not start today. He believes it is part of a bigger problem coming up soon. He also warned, before things become this sad, Ebuka Obi warned that Nigeria could face a time of shaking. He said when a nation ignores truth, justice and discipline, problems will follow. Problems upon problems. According to him, corruption weakens a country. Bad leadership affects everyone. When people stop praying and doing what is right, the nation suffers. He believes the economy is showing us that something is wrong deeper inside this country. How people are feeling. Many Nigerians are angry. Many are hungry. Many are deeply troubled with the things of life. Many cries more on burial than the living. Many keep malice with the living more than the dead. And many prefer staying indoor rather than going out and checking upon somebody, because every little hi is an account number being sent to you for how far, hello, how are you. Many feel disappointed. Many feel tired. Many feel confused. Ebuka Obi says anger is understandable, but he asks an important question. Are we only blaming the government, or are we also looking at ourselves? He says change must start from homes, families and communities, not only from politicians. What does he say about the future? Ebuka Obi believes this hard time may continue for a while. He warned that things could become more difficult before they get better. But he also gives hope. He says families who plan wisely, support one another, live with discipline and prayer will survive this period. He believes this season will show who is prepared and who is not. There is a call for action. Listen to this message. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, pay attention and subscribe. Subscription is free. Drop your comment in the comment section, and always learn to watch the video to the end before you comment. Always like and share the video that you love so much, and it will also bless another person. Don't eat alone and expect to grow alone. Somebody around you need a message like this at this point in time in history. Ebuka Obi is not calling for fear. He is calling for prayers, self-discipline, honesty, and unity. He urged Nigerians at home and abroad not to ignore what is happening. He believes Nigeria needs both economic and spiritual correction. In a closing message we share, Nigeria is at a turning point. Nigeria is indeed at a turning point. The crisis is painful, but pain can teach lessons. The big question is not only why is life hard. The real question is, what must we change so things can be better? I ended up by saying, think about this message. Share it if it will help out. Share it whether it will bless somebody. Talk about it with wisdom and respect, because the future of Nigerians depend on the choices we make today. So like I said, always endeavor to watch video to the end before you drop comment. See you guys next time.